Hey everybody, this is LaShonda, owner of LLC Consulting, a small business accounting firm focused primarily on helping small businesses understand and manage their books. I hopped in, I'm the creator of this group, Master Your Finances. I hopped in a couple days ago and I asked the question, what small business financial management challenges you were having? And my buddy Don, one of the premier um, graphic designers in the city who worked on a couple projects with me that I'm very pleased with, asked the question about how to manage all of his revenue collection methods and have them all flow into one system. So, for example, he's collecting with Square, he's using PayPal. Then there's the good old King Cash, and maybe a few other methods. So he's trying to determine what is the best way to collect all of that information and feed it into one system. So the starting point would be to make sure you have a business bank account. Let all of that activity flow directly through the business bank account. And then, of course, link all of link your Square, link your PayPal, link everything to your business bank account. When you collect money, they'll all go right into the business bank account. Then, in order to make it make sense for you, when you're spending the money, use your debit card that you've assigned to that business bank account, and that will pull in all of the transactions you have, you know. And then I'd suggest going a step further and linking to a accounting software. I mean, there's the good old QuickBooks, but I am in love right now with Wave Accounting. It's a free accounting software that one of my newer clients, Sydney from Pop Up Paint out in Jackson, Michigan, told me about. Hi, Sydney. Hi, Don. Told me about. I love it because you can link it to your bank account. And you can grow with it, and you can pull in all of your banking activity. And what the accounting system will try and do for you is it will try and classify the expenses based on what you spent into the proper expenditure category so that it makes sense for you. So it pulls in all your deposits into revenue. It'll pull in, if you bought office supplies, if you bought something at Office Max, it'll pull it in and try and classify it as office supplies. If you stopped at the gas station and bought gas, it'll try and pull it in. If you stopped at Mobile or something, it'll pull it in and classify it as gas. And the beauty of an accounting system is that it can produce reports for you automatically, unlike if you did most of this manually. So it gives you trending information. So it'll create a report that tells you you took in this amount of money and you spent this amount of money, and these are the categories you spent the most money in. And then even if you collect cash, you can go and deposit that cash into the bank. It'll pull that cash in as revenue as well, and then you can go and classify it that way. And once you've pulled everything in, if everything does not appear to be in the right category, you can just go in and recategorize things for you. So it keeps great records. That's what an accounting system does for you. The beauty of this particular one is it's free to use. There are features in there that you can expand to use once you grow your business. But until you grow, so for example, if you hire employees, there's a function in there for which you can set your employees up and pay your employees and do payroll reporting. But I'm getting ahead of myself with that. I did just want to touch on how to get all of your accounting, all of your payment methods into one system. So again, link everything to your bank account. Allow that bank account to pull in all of the revenue. Link your bank account to this accounting software, which will pull in all of your information, categorize it so that you can use it to make better decisions on. So thank you. Thanks for the question, Don. I look forward to more questions from the rest of you. TGIF.